What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are working on the IS300 because we're going drifting in like 5 days. Sunday. Today's Monday, we're going on Sunday. But we have an issue. Does your IS300 suffer from sacky butt syndrome? Because my bumper flies off all the time when I'm drifting, and it's really annoying. What's it stuck on? Because all of these tabs ripped right here. You guys know that there's T-bolts that sit right here, right here, right here. I got one left, and that is no good. So I came up with this awesome idea, don't know if it's been done, to use these quick release on the corner of these bumpers right here, just like that. This will go into the car like that, and I can clip it on and have some more support on this side and that side. I know the middle won't have that much support, but right now it's only held on by that side and that side. So having two more right there, they'll definitely be beneficial. So if you guys don't know how this works, basically, let's see if I can show you with camera right here. So basically, there's this button right here, you press it to unlock it, and then it pushes into this pin, and now it's stuck. Have some wiggle movement, but it won't pull out. So pull it back out, press the button, pull it out. Super simple. So basically what we have to do is drill into here so we can put this right there and then drill into there. So let's do this side first, see how that goes. So I'm gonna start drilling. Well, that was a perfect fit. I got this drill bit from Harbor Freight. Use the middle one, and it was a perfect fit. So I'm gonna screw that this side right here, tighten it down. Hopefully there's enough room for it to sit flush against the body of the car. So we're gonna do one side for now. All right, so general idea of how this is kind of gonna sit. Kind of show you what I had to do, because I'll just show you. All right, so I have it mounted right here, the push release, quick release, but you can see how that thing sticks out pretty far behind the bumper. You can kind of see how much it sticks out, like 1/4 of an inch. So what I did was, I drilled a hole so that way this part, why did I focus so bad? So this part right here can just sit into this hole right here. So basically this part is resting inside that hole, and it also mount to this part right here. And that part is bolted through back here. You kind of see where I drilled some holes and messed up a few times, but have it all figured out and it fits perfectly. So we're gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna show you my process. Drill the hole, measure once, drill once. Honestly, I probably should be measuring, but I don't really care. On my method. Right there. Be precise. Right there. Let's not move it. Slightly lower. Paint. This should fit in now. Like so, perfect fit. Screw it onto the back side. Looks like I drilled it a little bit higher than the other one, slightly, but you can't even tell. Get in there. can't see. Wrong way, duh. There we go. Plenty of room. Tighten that thing down. Just tighten it down. All right, now it's time to figure out where this part sits right here. So I just mock test fit it right now. It's easier if you have more people. Tell it where you want it to sit. That one's in. This over here. Okay. I need to mark some markings where the center is. Right there. I know where. So now I know where on this axis. And then I need to measure how far down, which should get some measuring tape. I wish I had my Milwaukee. I didn't bring it, so borrowing my friend's Black & Decker. Yeah, it sucks. What's going on here? All right, I like to grab the spare one to see if it fits in the hole. It fits pretty easy. I might round it off some more so that way it's a little bit better, but now that's good. Now you're gonna drill from the back side. I had to drill a hole into here because my drill bit was hitting right here and I need a little access, so I know it's kind of ghetto, but it works. So we're gonna drill through the back side, see where it punctured from the other side. We're gonna drill through right here. That's at the center of the hole. All right, I got that one coming out. That one's coming out right there. And everything's all bolted in. So we're gonna try to test fit it, see how it fits. Let's go. There we go, click. Click. Oh, we'll just click right in. Now, put this part up. Yo, that's way more sturdy. Before it would flop around. Still floppy right there, but yeah, I missed that part. You usually have to get into the hook right there. But let me show you how we would take it out. So essentially, my hook back here, press this button, it comes right off. You can adjust it. Click to that one. That's pretty sturdy. All right, I want to see if the trunk closes because, you know, this pokes out a little bit, but let's see. Oh, it's not even touching. You got plenty of room. Dang, that worked hella good. I am amazed. I didn't think that was gonna work. I had my doubts for a second. All right, so now that I know that works, I'm gonna take it out real quick. I'm actually gonna strengthen the bolt by adding more nuts behind here, so kind of stack them up so it adds a little more structural support. It's kind of ghetto, but we're at pretty much the edge of the bolt right here, so there's barely any threads holding on, so I want to have it secure so it doesn't move around too much. And it came with a set of 4. I'm not going to use the other 2. They're 14 bucks, and just press, release. Dang, that's crazy. Press, hold on, release, and click right here. That's how you do it. All right, this is what I mean when I say I'm gonna stack the nuts like that. Just so it has some more structural support. If anything happens, slide it through. And then bolt it on like that. So, just some structural integrity, peace of mind. I don't know how much it's actually gonna do. I know it's kind of ghetto, but I'm just working with what I got. Drift car, you just gotta do it. All right, so that's how you do a quick release bumper for the rear. Thought it was kind of cool. Came up with the idea last week, and I was like, give it a try. My bumper's already messed up, and it worked. So what I recommend to do next is paint all the places where you cut, because it will rust, especially if you're in a rust, melt, snowy area. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some paint it. It's hot today. It's supposed to be fall, but it's like almost 90 degrees today. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Peace.